Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 11th of September. And first of all, national news. Nagaland Deputy Chief Minister Y. Patton ensured measures to prevent illegal immigration. Indian Navy civilian entrance test cancelled due to technical and administrative reasons. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Kisan Samriddhi Sahyojana to be launched today. UAE as important partner in India's growth, commerce and industry minister. PM Modi chaired Semiconductor Executives Roundtable. Country's progress impossible without cybersecurity, Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Water level in Mulla Periyar Dam stand at 131.50 feet on September 10, 2024. 6. Senior advocates appointed additional Solicitor Generals to defend government in Supreme Court. PM Modi asked automakers to bring global best practices to India, focus on clean mobility. International news. US confirmed Russia received Iranian missiles set to impose new sanctions on Tehran. US military warned Beijing against dangerous South China Sea moves in talks. SpaceX launched billionaire to conduct the first private spacewalk. Maldivian President Muizu to visit India very soon, spokesperson said. Ukraine identified Russian suspect in July attack on Children's Hospital. Now some sports news. Chess Olympiad 2024, India's strongest team ever heading to Budapest, reaching for gold at 45th Chess Olympiad. Asian Champions Trophy Hockey, Sukhjit Abhishek turned dynamic duo helping India drop Japan 5-1. India's Paris Paralympics 2024 medalists to get 75 lakh for gold, 50 lakh for silver and 30 lakh for bronze. Business related news. RBI slapped rupees 2.91 crore penalty on Axis Bank HDFC Bank for not complying with directives. Inflows into equity mutual funds up 3% to rupees 38,239.16 crore in August. Sundaram Home Finance eyes 225 crore disbursal in Madhya Pradesh. Auto industry crossed 20 lakh crore mark in financial year 24, contributed for 14 to 15% to total GST. And that's all in news. Thank you.